Unseen tricks to nail the perfect push-up every single time. Are you tired of struggling with push-ups? Do you want to master this classic exercise and achieve flawless form? Look no further. In this video, we reveal the unseen tricks to help you nail the perfect push-up every single time. From body position to technique, we'll share the secrets you need to know to improve your push-up game. Get ready to transform your workouts and take your fitness to the next level. Smart e-learning WE Rise by lifting others. Push-up tips. Mastering push-ups. Perfect form. Push-up techniques. Welcome to Smart e-learning channel, where we bring you the best fitness tips and tricks to help you reach your goals. In today's video, we're going to share the unseen tricks that will guarantee you nail the perfect push-up every single time. Get ready to unlock your potential and take your workouts to new heights. Let's dive in. People performing push-ups with incorrect form. Body. Common mistakes. Before we reveal the unseen tricks, let's first address the common mistakes people make when doing push-ups. Many individuals unknowingly compromise their form, leading to ineffective workouts and potential injuries. Let's identify these mistakes so you can avoid them. H3. Mistake 1. Elbow flaring. One common mistake is allowing your elbows to flare out too wide. This places unnecessary stress on your shoulders and prevents you from engaging your chest muscles effectively. Keep your elbows at a 45-degree angle to maintain the correct form. Mistake 2. Sagging hips. Another mistake is allowing your hips to sag or your lower back to arch during the movement. This not only puts strain on your lower back, but also takes away from the effectiveness of the exercise. Maintain a straight line from your head to your heels, engaging your core muscles throughout. Mistake 3. Incomplete range of motion. Completing a full range of motion is crucial for reaping the benefits of push-ups. Some people tend to perform partial push-ups, not allowing their chest to reach the ground or fully extending their arms. Challenge yourself to go through the full range of motion to maximize your results. Now that we've identified the mistakes, let's dive into the unseen tricks for perfecting your push-up form. Unseen tricks for the perfect push-up. Trick 1. Hand placement. Proper hand placement is key to a successful push-up. Position your hands slightly wider than shoulder width apart, with fingers pointing forward or slightly outward. This allows for optimal engagement of the chest muscles. Engage your abdominal muscles by drawing your belly button in towards your spine. This not only helps maintain proper body alignment but also increases the intensity of the exercise. Many people rush through push-ups, sacrificing form for quantity. Lower your body steadily and push back up with controlled force. This ensures you fully engage your muscles and get the most out of each repetition. Trick 4. Breathing technique. Mastering your breathing technique can greatly enhance your push-ups. Inhale during the descent and exhale as you push back up. Sync your breath with the movement to maintain control and optimize your performance. Remember, mastering any exercise takes practice, so be patient with yourself. Incorporate these tips into your workout routine and watch your results skyrocket. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest video. Thanks for watching Smart e-learning channel, and we'll see you in the next video.